of Indegene Limited, we extend a very, very warm welcome to each and every one present over here. Thank you so much for taking out your precious time and being present here for a truly memorable occasion. We are pleased to have you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of the company on NSE. Today we mark the beginning of a new journey for the company as a listed entity. So let's have a huge round of applause for Indegene Limited, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the beautiful enthusiasm. Before we commence with the ceremony, I request everyone to kindly stand at attention for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Request everyone to kindly take in your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, milestones are an important way of looking at the past with gratitude, the present with appreciation, and the future with hope. Today we are here to celebrate such a milestone for Indegene Limited. Founded in 1998, Indegene Limited provides digital-led commercialization services for the life sciences industry, including biopharmaceutical, emerging, biotech and medical devices company that assist them with drug development and clinical trials, regulatory submissions, pharmacovigilance and complaints management, and the sales and marketing of their products. Indegene's solution enable life sciences company to develop products, launch them in the market, and drive sales through their life cycle in a more effective, efficient, and modern manner. Indegene achieves this by combining over 2 decades of healthcare domain expertise and fit-for-purpose technology. Its portfolio of solutions covers all aspects of commercial, medical, regulatory, and R&D operations of life sciences companies. We are hopeful that getting listed will significantly help the company further scale their business and unlock the next phase of their growth journey. Today, on this very momentous occasion of the listing of equity shares of Indegene Limited, we would like to extend a warm welcome to the various dignitaries who've joined us today. To begin with, we would like to welcome Dr. Harish Kumar Ahuja, Head of Sustainability Product and Strategy Development, Carbon and Power Markets, Investor Awareness Services, and Primary Markets Relationships, NSE. Very warm welcome, Dr. Harish Kumar Ahuja. Thank you, sir. I request you please, yes, take your seat. Thank you. Let's have once more a huge round of applause. We also have here with us today the leadership team of Indegene Limited, Mr. Manish Gupta, Chairman, Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer, Indegene Limited. Welcome, sir. We have here with us Dr. Rajesh Nair, Non-Executive Director, Indegene Limited. Welcome, sir. Joining us today, we have Dr. Sanjay Parikh, Executive Director and Executive Vice President, Indegene Limited. We have here with us Mr. Suhas Prabhu, Chief Financial Officer, Indegene Limited. We have here today independent directors and investors representatives. Please put your hands together for Mr. TVG Krishnamurthy, Mr. Neeraj Bharadwaj, Mr. Ashish Gupta, Mr. Praveen Rao, Mr. Sri Ram Nadatur, We also have here with us today the bankers who played an integral part in the success of this IPO. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Shubham Majumdar, Managing Director, Investment Banking, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Mr. Pankaj Jain, Managing Director, Head of Technology, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. Mr. Ravi Shankar, Managing Director, Head of Tech Coverage, JP Morgan India Private Limited. Mr. Sumit Sukramani, MD, Head of Technology, Media and Services Group. Thank you so much for joining us today for this really momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful tradition in the country that before starting a new work and auspicious work, we have the lamp lighting ceremony. And I request the following dignitaries to please join us for the lamp lighting. Dr. Harish Kumar Ahuja, Mr. Manish Gupta, Dr. Rajesh Nair, Dr. Sanjay Parekh, Mr. Gaurav Kapoor, Mr. Suhas Prabhu, Mr. TVG Krishnamurthy, Mr. Ashish Gupta, Mr. Neeraj Bharadwaj, Mr. Praveen Rao, Mr. Sriram Nadatur, Ms. Shrishti Kaushik. I request everyone to join us for the lamp lighting.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Thank you so much for doing the honors. Thank you. I request everyone to take in the seats, and thank you so much once again for doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sumit Sukramani, MD, Head of Technology, Media and Services Group, Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited. Very, very warm welcome. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, please.
Good morning, everyone. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I welcome you all to the listing ceremony of Indegene. Today marks a very significant day in Indegene's journey, a journey that has been fueled by innovation, dedication, and unwavering commitment to excellence. It is indeed an honor and privilege for Nomura to collaborate with Indegene for this IPO. I express my sincere thanks to the Indegene management, Manish, Dr. Parekh, Dr. Nair, Suhas, and many others, along with the key shareholders, Carlyle, Brighton Park, and Nadathur Family Office, for giving us the opportunity to be a part of this prestigious IPO. With over 2 decades of experience, Indegene is a digital-first commercialization company operating at the intersection of healthcare and technology. It is a trusted partner to life sciences companies, as evident with their long-standing and long relationship with the top 20 biopharma companies globally. Above all, Indegene has showcased an established track record of profitable growth since inception. The IPO in many ways is a landmark transaction. Indegene is the first life sciences domain-focused tech services company to list in India, a market which is large and underpinned by a constant need of specialized services and rapid digital adoption. The IPO was oversubscribed 70 times, with the QIB portion oversubscribed close to 198 times. We believe the success of this IPO would contribute to further strengthening the tech services industry in India, and thank you everyone for joining us for this momentous occasion. Before I hand it over to the Indegene management, I would like to highlight that Indegene's listed journey has just begun. And we are confident that with the experienced management and high-quality investors and support that is going to come from more public investors, Indegene will continue to drive innovation and thought leadership in the industry as they have exhibited all these years, something that we have come to witness in our association with the Indegene so far. May I invite Manish Gupta, Chairman and CEO of Indegene, to take the proceedings forward. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. Namaskar. As I stand in front of you today, at a very pivotal moment in the journey of Indegene, I'm filled with immense pride and satisfaction. Thank you so much, all of you, for being part of this journey. Filled with a lot of gratitude. Thank you so much. After 25 years since inception and a very long and arduous journey, the reciprocation and the response we got from the entire investment community in India fills me with immense gratitude. Thank you to all the shareholders across the country who participated in our IPO and made it into a fairly significant success. A big thank you to all people who participated in this IPO. Our path to this moment was not an easy one. It was a very long journey, long and arduous journey. There have been so many people sitting over here. I can see all of you over here. All your unwavering dedication, significant amount of hard work has got us to this point. Once again, a big thank you to all of you. From very humble beginnings, a small house in Koramangala in Bangalore, a lot of you would remember that. Today, we are known as a digital-first commercialization partner to the global life science industry, working with all the top 20 pharma companies, with almost 5,200 Indegenes across 18 offices across the world. It's been quite an amazing journey. To our valued customers who have worked with us since a very long period of time, a very, very big thank you to all the customers and partners. We embarked on various transformational journeys with all our customers, learned with them, continue to hone our capabilities, and all the intellectual property we built, and have got to this point today. So a very big thank you to start with to all our customers. A big thank you to all our investors, independent directors, all of you over here. Thank you so much. You played a very significant role. All your invaluable guidance, support during this evolution of the company, and of course in this process is highly valuable. Thank you so much. A very big thank you to all my co-founders. Some of you sitting over here. We're missing Andy over here. A big thank you to all the executive and management team of Indegene. A lot of hard work has gone into this. We have had a long tenured journey together, and what each one of you does continues to inspire me and a lot of Indegenes. Thank you so much for that. My most special gratitude and thanks to all the Indegenes. So many of them, more than 5,000 Indegenes working across our offices, in 18 offices, working hard day in, day out, putting their blood, sweat, and really working hard to get us to this point. A very, very big special thank you to all of you. That means a lot. We are in this spot because of that hard work, and a very big thank you. Last but not least, all the family members over here, the executive team, my own family, and of course all the family members of all Indegenes. As everyone has been working hard, you made a lot of sacrifices, which again have contributed so much to where we are today. A big thank you to all of you. I must extend again a thanks to all the BRLMs who worked with us through the journey as we are making this transition. I remember getting a call even Saturday from one of you, I'm not going to name you. Listen, IPO is opening on Monday. Main book में कोई पहले दिन नहीं आता है, हल्ला मत मचाना. Halla Machana was not said, but that was the undersaid tone. Just keep quiet. Thank you. All our legal advisors, auditors, so many partners who worked with us tirelessly during this journey and made us get to this point today. Thank you. Last but very importantly, a big thank you to all our new stakeholders, new shareholders, as we embark on this next part of our journey as a publicly listed company. On behalf of my entire leadership executive team sitting over here, I can promise that we will continue to do as Indigeons what we do best. Put our head down, execute tirelessly, work significantly, very hard, continue to create value for our customers, continue to bring ingenuity every day in our solutions, and continue to grow and put our best foot to continue to grow the company. A very, very big thank you. Ours is a very large industry, immense potential, and together we will continue to make the best efforts to continue to grow as a company and make all of us and the country proud. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for always inspiring us. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me in welcoming on stage Dr. Harish Ahuja from NSE. Very, very warm welcome, sir.
Shri Manish Gupta, Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer, Indegene Limited. Shri Suhas Prabhu, CFO, Indegene Limited. Shri Amit Thawani, MD, Head of Investment Banking, Nomura India. Shri Pankaj Jain, Managing Director, Head of Technology, Citigroup. Shri Shubham Majumdar, Managing Director, Investment Banking, Kotak Group. Shri Ravi Shankar, Managing Director, Head of Tech Coverage, JP Morgan. Distinguished dignitaries, family member, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and warm welcome to all of you on this momentous occasion of banning ceremony of Indegene Limited. As we were told, company provides solution to biopharmaceutical and other companies to develop products, launch them in the market and drive sales through their life cycle in more effective, efficient and modern manner. NSE is proud to welcome Indegene Limited in our family of listed corporate, and this will be 2,467 company to list with us. NSE listed company have a market cap of around $4.71 trillion as on 10th May. And from today onwards, Indegene Limited is a part of this. India is now the 4th largest market in terms of market cap after US, China and Japan. You'll be happy to note that NSE is also what largest exchange in terms of number of orders and number of transactions we do. On many days, we do almost 25 crore transactions in a day, and on many days, we do around 1,700 crore orders per day, which is a great achievement. The market cap of India has grown almost 96 times in rupee terms since NSE got incepted in 1993, almost 30 years back. As on today, almost 9.4 crore unique PAN are registered with us. 20% of Indian household, roughly 7.4 crore, directly invest in a stock market, which is a great achievement. And it shows the faith of the people on the entrepreneurs like Ms. Manish Gupta. Today, when Indegene begins a new journey as a public listed company with an issue size of rupees 1842 crores, which was oversubscribed by 70 times, it's a great occasion for all of us. We hope that today's successful listing of Indegene Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public market as a promising alternative. We at NSE are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that this listing day is the start of a strong partnership going forward between us. I congratulate the entire team of Indegene Limited, the merchant banker, Kotak, ICICI, JP Morgan, Nomura, and legal advisor, Sri Amarchand Mangaldas, PR agency, Factors, and other parties associated with the IPO. And today's successful listing is a testimony of their hard work. And NSE once again welcome Indegene Limited to the family and look forward to supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors. Jai Hind. Thank you. Namaskar.
I request Sir to please be on stage now. To commemorate the significance of this event, we'll now have an exchange of mementos. I request the dignitaries to please join me on stage. Mr. Gaurav Kapoor, Executive Vice President, Indegene Limited. Mr. Vivek Ghai, Executive Vice President, Indegene Limited. Mr. Tarun Mathur, Chief Technology Officer, Indegene Limited. Mr. Sameer Lal, Senior Vice President, Indegene Limited. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Shubham Majumdar, Managing Director, Investment Banking, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, to please come forward. Yes, I now request Mr. Shubham Majumdar to please come forward. I request Mr. Pankaj Jain to please be on standby. Thank you. I request Mr. Pankaj Jain, Managing Director, Head of Technology, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, to please come forward. I request Mr. Ravi Shankar to please be on standby. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Ravi Shankar, Managing Director, Head of Tech Coverage, JP Morgan India Private Limited, and the team to please come forward. I request Mr. Sumit Sukramani, sir, to please be on standby. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Sumit Sukramani, MD, Head of Technology and Media Services, Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited, and the team to please come forward. I request Mr. Vijay Parthasarthi to please be on standby. Thank you. I request Mr. Vijay Parthasarthi, Partner, Head, Capital Markets, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, to please come forward. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. I request the Ad Factors team to please be on standby. Thank you. I request the Ad Factors team, yes, to please come forward, sir. Very warm welcome, sir. Yes, I request Dr. Ahuja to please be on standby. At the same time, I request Mr. Manish Gupta, Dr. Rajesh Nair, Dr. Sanjay Parikh to please join us on stage, as now we'll be presenting from the company's end to our partners. I request them to please present the memento from the company, that is Indegene Limited, to our partners. I request Mr. Shubham Majumdar to please be on standby. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. Shubham Majumdar, Managing Director, Investment Banking, on behalf of Team Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, to please come forward. I request Mr. Pankaj Jain to please be on standby. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Pankaj Jain, Managing Director, Head of Technology, on behalf of Team Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, with his team to please come forward. I request Mr. Ravi Shankar and team to please be on standby. Now I request Mr. Ravi Shankar, Managing Director, Head of Tech Coverage, on behalf of Team JP Morgan India Private Limited, to please come forward with the team. I request Mr. Sumit Sukramani and the team to please be on standby. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. Sumit Sukramani, Managing Director, Head of Technology, Media and Services Group, India, on behalf of Team Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited, to please come forward with the team. I request team at Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas to please be on standby. Ladies and gentlemen, yes. In the interest of time, I request the teams that are being announced to quickly come on stage as we are moving towards the historic moment of bell ringing. So I request everybody to quickly come on stage. Now I request team Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas to please come forward. At the same time, I request team at Sidley to please be on standby. Thank you. Now I request the team at Sidley to please come forward. At the same time, I request team at Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas & Co. to please be on standby. I now request team at Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas & Co. to please come forward. At the same time, I request team at Manian and Rao Chartered Accountants to please be on standby next to the stage, please. I request team at Manian and Rao Chartered Accountants to please come forward. At the same time, team at Messrs BSR Affiliates to please be next to the stage. Thank you. Now team at Messrs BSR Affiliates, I welcome you on stage. Request the linking time team to please be on standby. We have 4 more speeches now, sir. Team at Lincoln Time, welcome you. And team at Crystal Printers, please be on standby. Thank you. Team at Crystal Printers, request you to please come on stage. Okay, moving forward. Team at Ad Factors, please come forward. At the same time, the care team, please be on standby. Let's give a huge round of applause for the Ad Factors team, please. Thank you. Thank you. Now I request the care team to please come forward. I request team ICICI Bank to please come forward. At the same time, I request team Kotak Bank to please be on standby. Now I request Kotak Bank team to please come forward. Thank you. And thank you so much for doing the honors, gentlemen. I request you to please take in your seats. I now request Mr. Pankaj Jain, Managing Director, Head of Technology, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, to please come forward.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining us for this listing ceremony. In our daily lives, when someone is critically ill, doctors typically say that इन्हें दवा की नहीं दुआ की भी ज़रूरत है. Likewise, in today's medical world, when global pharma companies are facing significant cost and revenue challenges, what doctor orders is इन्हें दवा की नहीं digital की भी ज़रूरत है. And the company which has both domain expertise and digital expertise and has been able to address all the pain points of the global pharma industry is Indegene. What makes Indegene unique? Not only in Indegene is unique not only in the Indian context but also in the global context, and that is very visible from the kind of response the IPOs receive from all classes of investors. I'm very confident that Indegene will take good care of its expanded family of 440,000 shareholders in times to come and generate significant value for them. It's been a privilege for us at Citi to be a part of the IPO journey. And thank you, Manish, and all the stakeholders for giving us this opportunity. Congratulations again to the management team, and wish you all many more successes in times to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now request Mr. Shubham Majumdar, Managing Director, Investment Banking, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, to please come on stage. Sir, I request you to please come on stage. Let's give a huge round of applause for him, please.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We are on a momentous sort of day today, and the markets are clearly cheering the Indegene story of the last 25 years of hard work already, and hopefully many more to follow. This is quite a unique story, and the first in the amalgam of healthcare, life sciences, and technology to list in the Indian markets, and hopefully it will be called as a bellwether in the years to come. We will continue to be part of the journey, hopefully going forward, and we will make sure that Indegene continues to sort of make great value for shareholders going forward. Testament to the management team of Indegene. It's been an absolute pleasure working with you over the last couple of years, and sincerely look forward to being part of the journey. All the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Mr. Ravi Shankar, Managing Director, Head of Tech Coverage, JP Morgan India Private Limited, to please come forward. Very warm welcome, sir. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, very warm welcome. This IPO has shattered many records, and there's a lot to like here. Great sector tailwinds, strong growth and margins. But we at JP Morgan, what we like the most is the innovative streak that this management team has brought to fore. They had a choice of making another Infosys or another Wipro, but they have really created a new category, and that's really is going to be a great thing to watch as the IPO come to the market. So thank you so much, and we appreciate you giving us the opportunity to serve you.
I now request Mr. Suhas Prabhu, CFO, Indegene Limited, to present the word of thanks. Let's have a revision.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Firstly, a very warm welcome and good morning to one and all. Let me not take a lot of time. I know everybody's waiting anxiously. So there are a lot of emotions here, sense of relief certainly, but more importantly, excitement to see, us list and the journey ahead. But before that, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's supported us, not only in this IPO process, but also over the last 25 years of the history of Indegene. So with that, let me start by thanking Dr. Harish and the team at NSE for supporting us, for having us here today. Also, BSC and SEBI for supporting us through this process. There are many partners who made this possible, many of whom are in this room today. So our BRLMs, very thank you, Kotak, Citi, JPM and Nomura. Our legal and statutory partners, the team at Cyril Amarchand, Shardul Amarchand, Sidley, BSR Associates, Manian and Rao, Accrescent and Seyfarth. Registrars, Lincoln Time, our agency Ad Factors, the printers Crystal, the sponsor banks Kotak Bank Limited and ICICI Bank, and the monitoring agency CARE as well. It would not be possible to conclude without acknowledging the support that the families of all the indigenes here have provided to this team to get to this stage, and I'm sure going forward as well. And finally, also acknowledge the support that we have received from Nadatur, Carlyle and BPC. Finally, let me thank the entire team at Indegene, everyone who's present here and those back in office for getting us to this stage. Thank you.
I request the following dignitaries to quickly join us on stage. Dr. Harish Ahuja, Mr. Manish Gupta, Mr. Suhas Prabhu, Dr. Rajesh Nair, Dr. Sanjay Parekh, Mr. Gaurav Kapoor, Mr. Vivek Ghai, Mr. Samir Lal, Mr. Shovanik Chatterjee, Mr. Tarun Mathur, Mr. Ram Yelaswarupa, Mr. Maruth Setia, Mr. Pankaj Kakkar, Mr. Dennis Von Rui, Mr. Tim Van Tanguren, Ms. Saundarya Mahalingam, Ms. Shrishti Kaushik, Ms. Beena Patil, Mr. TVG Krishnamurthy, Mr. Ashish Gupta, Mr. Praveen Rao, Mr. Neeraj Bhardwaj, Mr. Sriram Nadatur. I quickly request you to come on stage for the very historic moment. Also, everybody in the audience, I request you to be seated at all the times during the bell ringing ceremony. And we'll be having a customary countdown just 10 seconds before. So it's very, very simple. We start by saying 10, 9, 8, 7. We can shout. Okay? So we're just a few seconds away from it. All right. Just 30 seconds away from the customary countdown and the historic moment that is. Yes. Okay, everybody. Be ready. 20 seconds to go. All right. Together. We need to shout. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hearty congratulations to Indegene Limited team for getting officially listed, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful milestone this is. Yes. Right. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'll be having a quick photo op. Thank you. Now I request, ladies and gentlemen, the entire Indegene team to please come on stage for the first round on photo op. The Indegene team to quickly come on stage for the first round of photo op. The entire Indegene team, I request you to please come on stage and make the stage go white. The Indegene team, request you. I request the Indegene team to please stand in attention for the photo op. I request the Indegene team to quickly stand attention for the photo op as we have to move forward for the next photography. I request the Indegene team to quickly stand for the photo op. The Indegene team to please stand for the photo op. Quickly stand for the photo op, please. The Indegene team, please. We need 2 more rounds of photographs of separate groups, so please I request you. Yes, thank you. All right, everyone. A huge smile. Yes. 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 That's super. Now I request the non-executive directors of Indegene to please come forward on stage for a photo op. Once again, all non-executive directors of Indegene to please come on stage for the photo op. All non-executive directors of Indegene, quickly come on stage, please.
Is it with everybody? It's only non-executive.
Yeah. All non-executive directors of Indegene, please come on stage quickly, please. Yes. Yes. Also, everybody who's listening to me, please don't forget to join us for breakfast outside. The refreshments are served right outside.